Welcome, explorers and comfort seekers. Get ready to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the road's ultimate in comfort and innovation. This incredible vehicle, which is expected to revolutionize the RV market, combines excellent performance with elegant Scandinavian design. It has the perfect balance of elegance and functionality and exudes refinement from the outside thanks to Volvo's iconic sleek, aerodynamic lines. We should expect a high-tech heart behind it all, an advanced electric drivetrain, possibly with 2 electric motors for powerful and smooth all-wheel drive, backed by a sizable battery pack for longer range and emission-free driving. As soon as you walk in, the dashboard welcomes you with its sleek, futuristic design. Cluttering buttons have been replaced with a big, vertical infotainment touchscreen that serves as an intuitive and fully integrated control center. A chic digital driver's display behind it displays all the information you need, and a 5G connection and built-in Google Assistant ensure that you're always connected to the outside world and your navigation. You will experience the authentic essence of Scandinavian design as soon as you enter. The inside is spacious, well-lit, and well-designed. The use of eco-friendly materials like Nordico and luxurious wool blends is not only visually stunning but also satisfying to the touch. The unobstructed views offered by huge panoramic windows and maybe a glass roof fill your cabin with the splendor of nature. Because to its versatile design, which incorporates sliding and swiveling seats, you can easily transform the space from a comfortable lounge to an elegant dining area. When it's time to unwind, the bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome offers a tranquil retreat. One instance of how contemporary elegance and functionality may coexist is a king-size bed with a cozy mattress. Ambient lights that can be moved and neatly hidden storage offer the perfect environment for relaxing. Even the architecture of the bathroom reflects Volvo's sophistication. This bathroom is compact but makes good use of every available area thanks to its high-end materials, modern equipment, and the possibility of a water-saving shower. Style and utility work together to ensure that you have what you desire in an orderly, straightforward way. Finally, let's have a look at the kitchen. It is likely that this kitchen, designed for traveling chefs, will have energy-efficient, contemporary appliances such as an induction cooktop, a seamless refrigerator/freezer, and a practical sink. With innovative countertops and hidden storage, you'll always have everything you need to prepare delicious meals, no matter where your travels take you. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a future home on wheels that combines style, sustainability, and technology to provide an unparalleled holiday experience. Are you ready for your next adventure?